It's Diwali today. We are going to do a ground check on what the markets are looking like at this time of the year. Usually we see a big buzz in markets, people coming out to buy during this festival. But is it different this year given the pandemic? Let's find out. Let me go across. We've got Shrija joining us from Bengaluru, and we'll also be getting Sandhya from Mumbai as well. And we'll take a check on what's really happening as far as Diwali is concerned in different markets in the cities. Let me go across to Shrija and Sandhya, both who are joining us at this point in time. Sandhya, coming to you first. Sandhya is joining us from the Dadar Flower Market. What can you tell us? What's the situation this time round as compared to past years?
So, Avni, first of all, a very happy Diwali to you and all our viewers of Mirror Now. And as you rightly mentioned, I am at Dadar Flower Market right now. So, if I talk about change, see, you'll see all the colors. Here are the flowers, beautiful flowers. Let me try and speak to some of the people, specifically the shopkeepers, to see if this time it's different, and if yes, then how. हैप्पी दिवाली। आपको एक बात बताएं, इस बार भीड़ जो है वो कम है, ज्यादा है, कैसा है, कुछ बता सकते हैं आप हमें?
कम है इसकी बार। कम
है इस बार, लोग कम आ रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ।
अच्छा, मतलब जैसे हर रोज हर दिवाली पे। Okay, so let me. He has got a customer, so I'll not interrupt him there. Let me try and speak to some of the other shopkeepers as well. मैम, आपको हैप्पी दिवाली। एक बात बताएं, हैप्पी दिवाली, इस बार आपको ग्राहक कम मिल रहे हैं, ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं, कैसे हो रहे हैं? मिल रहे हैं, कम आ रहे हैं। अच्छा, जैसे हर साल दिवाली को कितने बजे लोग आना शुरू करते हैं और कितनी भीड़ होती है?
बहुत भीड़ रहते हैं। अब ये साल भीड़ नहीं है, भीड़ कम है।
अच्छा, बिक्री हो रही है?
बिक्री नहीं है इतना, माल महंगा है लेकिन हमला धंधा उतना नहीं है।
आपकी बिक्री वगैरह कुछ हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही?
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है मैडम, लॉकडाउन की वजह से सब माल लॉस है, धंधा नहीं है।
तो हर साल दिवाली पे माल कब तक खत्म हो जाता है, कितने बजे तक?
हम लोग 10 बजे तक खत्म हो जाता है, अभी धंधा नहीं है।
अभी तक नहीं हुआ है।
4 बजे तक खत्म होगा, 4-5 बजे तक। अभी तक माल खत्म ही नहीं हो गया, धंधा ही नहीं हो गया।
अच्छा, ऐसे 4 बजे खत्म होगा, फिर आप घर जाके दिवाली मनाएंगे?
रहेगा, इधर ही रहेगा, फिर बाद में जाएगा हम लोग, लेकिन ये साल धंधा नहीं है।
Okay, she has also got a customer, thankfully. So, Avni, let me, for the viewers who are not from Mumbai, I would like to tell them this is Dadar Flower Market. On a Diwali, on any usual Diwali, you can't even dream of actually stepping a foot if you are late here. At this time, you cannot. This place is absolutely crowded. But today, it's different. Though you will see crowd, but this is not what it looks like on Diwali. Sir, आप हर साल आते हैं दिवाली पे यहीं पे?
हाँ,
दिवाली पे फूल खरीदने यहीं आते हैं हर साल?
आते हैं, हर साल आते हैं।
अच्छा, इस बार माहौल कैसा लग रहा है? ठंडा लग रहा है कि हर बार जैसा?
कोरोना के हिसाब से थोड़ा जरा माहौल जरा कम है।
हाँ।
वो हिसाब से जो आदमी लोग के पास पैसे भी कम है, वो हिसाब से थोड़ा खरीदी चल रहा है तब। पूरा ये कोरोना करके अपने को नहीं, इधर पूरा देश को आया है। ये हिसाब से अपन लोगों को भी पहले के जैसा जोश नहीं है, जैसा विश करते हैं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
दिवाली थोड़ी ठंडी है इस बार, ऐसा लगता है?
ठंडी लग रही है।
एनीवे सर, हैप्पी दिवाली। आपकी दिवाली आपके परिवार की बिल्कुल हैप्पी दिवाली। सो एज वी हर्ड, द जेंटलमैन आल्सो राइटली सेड दैट इट्स Corona, which has led to this situation. He also spoke about the buying capacity of people. There are people who are citing that also, Avni, but nonetheless, here is Dadar Fool Market, Dadar Flower Market of Mumbai. Very, very less crowd as compared to any other Diwali. Though somebody who is not from Mumbai will feel that this place is crowded. But let me tell you, this is not how the Dadar Flower Market looks like on Diwali. At this time, you cannot step inside the market, but this time there are very few people as compared to every Diwali. Avni.
Yes, absolutely, Sandhya. Let me also go across to Shrija, who's joining us from Bengaluru. Shrija, what's the situation like in Bengaluru at this point in time on Diwali day? What are you seeing as different?
Well, firstly, Avni, very happy Diwali to you and to all of viewers. And of course, I'm here at Gandhi Bazaar. This is one of the oldest shopping centers here. And what you see onto my right is especially the florists from florists to vegetable vendors on this particular side of the footpath. And you see, of course, this is not just the regular crowd that you see on an everyday basis, because this particular stretch of road that we're talking about, Gandhi Bazaar, is always jam-packed. And it is not just a pedestrian-friendly road, because you also have traffic here. And what we see onto our right is as well sweet shops and clothing stores. So this particular stretch of road that you're looking at is always vibrant, and there's so much of, in fact, cacophony that you always witness. But this time around, looks like it's a muted affair. Now let me go across to one particular customer who has come here to purchase flowers. Well, thank you for joining us. Firstly, happy Diwali to you. How different is it this time around?
It's like the flowers rate are more increased compared to last year. But it's very shocking to see that like a lot of people are coming outside. I think, yeah, mostly that I'm here to purchase. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
So even though it's pandemic that you'll have come and, to purchase.
Yeah. Of course, it's Diwali, right? Everyone has their functions at their home. So it's more shocking that like a lot of people are coming outside this time. And the flower rates are also increased by 50%.
Okay.
So it's much more, yeah, that's all.
Well, thank you. Let me go across to here, a flower vendor here. Happy Diwali to you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Us also.
Tell us this time around, how is the business?
This is very dull, madam. This is Corona time. No, so many people is not here. So go to our people villages going to. So here also flowers also business is dull.
How was it last time around when you're comparing it with this year?
So many lot of distances, lot of differences there. This last.
So are people coming and purchasing when you're really comparing it with last year? Are they stepping out to buy things, or are they just coming?
This is flowers also is very high cost. Very most of rate is very differences. Is people also is not taken also. That's the problem.
Well, that's what you heard from a flower vendor here who's telling us that, as compared to this year, it's slightly muted this time around. Of course, this is not the regular day scene that you see as far as Gandhi Bazaar is concerned, Avni, because onto my right that you see, this is the flower market that you see. Of course, it is not jam-packed, but every time that we understand, this entire stretch of road is usually jam-packed. It's so difficult to even walk on this particular street. And of course, what we understand, remember, as far as the government is also concerned, remember, they did in fact tell that the state is banning the sale and bursting of crackers. But of course, the Chief Minister did a U-turn by saying that the state or the people can go ahead and burst green crackers. Back to you.
All right, Shrija, thank you for joining us with all of that. Shrija, Santya, wishing both of you a very happy Diwali as well.